Hello there and welcome to this week's update by Valet.io. I'm Valerio and I'm in charge of the WordPress updates here at Valet. Let's start this week with an article share from pluginrepublic.com. It's an awesome how-to guide for how to set prices by user role in WooCommerce. It's a great way to have different prices displaying for vendors and customers. Check the link below to get started. WordPress version 5.3 is in the works and will be released around November 12, 2019, between WordCamp US and Thanksgiving Day. This update will include some improvements to the WordPress editor, accessibility and PHP 7.4 support, as well as a new default theme 2020. This will be the final major release of 2019. On the security note, there was a lot of activity this week. A few popular plugins, the events calendar and media forms, should be updated as soon as possible. If you don't want to worry about these things, let Valet handle it. Send us an email to learn more about our maintenance plans and services and chat with me or Maureen. Have a wonderful weekend!